Hi SciFiners, welcome back to another episode of Sci-Fi Gen Tech. So today guys, we are going to unbox these $2 Bluetooth earphones. Let's see if this product is worth your time or not. So let's get started. Well, I don't like this horrible packaging. Look at this, it says professional. Oh man, really? Let's find out. Here, look at the specification. What? Really? Are you kidding? It comes with NFC and multi-point connection support, which means you can stream effortlessly with one touch listening over Bluetooth. And you can make a multi-point connection with two smartphones separately, one for listening to music and the other for making phone calls. Since I don't have any NFC supported phone, so I can't show you if this works or not. Wow, SciFiner's magnetic locking feature is also given here. So here we have our Bluetooth earphones. First thing first, let's talk about its build quality. Top side it's not that bad guys, it seems okay, but here at the controller middle button is working fine, but at the bottom side this button is not going inside. Build quality is not good, you can easily take it apart like this and it was like a piece of cake. Here you can see main board and at the back side we have this tiny battery for powering up this device. Now here is the most important thing, sound quality. I listen to so many songs on these earphones and I must say sound quality is poor, not adequately loud. Don't expect something extraordinary out of it. It's like you are getting wireless earphones at cheapest price of $2 and it's more like use and throw product. Here no manufacturing warranty is given. Obviously you can enjoy wireless feature of these earphones only if you are on a shoestring budget and care for wireless feature for taking calls. You will get cheap sound quality but that doesn't make it completely useless. I mean at this price point you are getting this cool wireless feature and you can use it for voice calling purpose. I use these earphones for that purpose and I didn't face any issues while using it. I made a lot of call and audio was clear via these earphones and other party didn't face any sound issues too. When it comes to sound quality, as we mentioned earlier, is not that much loud and is of poor quality, but to some extent it's okayish type. If music is your top priority, then you'd better skip these earphones and you can get better sounding wired earphones around starting from 400 up to 800 rupees in budget category. Thanks for watching this video. If you found our video useful, consider subscribing our channel and don't forget to turn on the bell icon for notifications.